Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you watched the last vlog, you already know we finally made a small move from our old apartment to this beautiful villa surrounded by greenery, space to breathe, and yes, a garden that's still very much a work in progress. Most of the major settling is done, but this vlog is all about those final cozy touches, the little things, the kind of details that make a house truly ours. And what better way to break in a new home than with family around, right? So we invited my younger brother and family and also our cousin over for lunch to finally fill the space with laughter, conversations and memories. The next day, I had gone to Pan Home to pick a few decor pieces. There's this rack in our living room that we had drilled earlier, and I really wanted to decorate it and make that corner look nice. Honestly, I love looking at home decor stuff. I could spend hours in these stores, but I tried to be quick and just picked a few simple pieces that would match the vibe of the room. And it was time to set up everything. Of course, I needed some help, so my husband became the official helper for the day. He helped me place everything on the rack while I stood below and gave all the instructions. And look at the final setup, simple, clean, and it just brings the whole space together. Later, my husband and Rihan took charge of the souvenir board. We have collected these little memories over time from trips and finally spotted the right place to put them up in this home. While they were busy with that, I started working on this wall sticker I had been waiting to put up. I was honestly nervous. I didn't want to mess it up, but slowly and patiently it came together. I bought this from Temu. Each of these souvenirs is a memory from our travels, little things from places that gave us big moments. They are not just items we brought home, but reminders of who we were, what we felt, and how far we have come. Every trip taught us something to slow down, smile more, and enjoy the small things. We left a piece of our hearts in every country we visited and brought back not just souvenirs but special memories and feelings. This isn't just a travel wall, it's a wall full of love, stories, and moments that made us truly happy. And now it's my most favorite part to do. And I love doing it when nobody is there at home, or at least nobody is there to distract me. Lian was asleep at this time. My elder kids were at school. And it's to fix this wall mirrors. This time I'm placing it differently. I have been carrying this from our second apartment where I bought it for the first time from IKEA. I have done a video on how I spray painted the frame to make it black, as only white was available for the same size of the mirror, and then fixed it on the wall. And that's the final look. Next up, my little one's changing table and dresser. He is 1 year old and 1 year and 4 months old now. And somehow, this is still the one space in the house that stays organized. I have been managing this area completely on my own, and I guess that's why it stays neat. From diapers, wipes to his daily clothes, PJs, and other items, everything has its own spot. At this age, things get messy fast, so having a system here really saves time and stress. Plus, I honestly enjoy folding his tiny clothes and keeping this little corner in order. It's one of the few routines that actually feels under control. Folding and organizing everything properly really helps. It makes it so much easier to take out things quickly when I need them, especially during those busy mornings or last minute outfit changes. For dinner that night, I made a simple beef curry. I do have someone who comes home to help with cooking, but sometimes I enjoy cooking myself. So I usually ask her to just do the cutting and chopping, and then I take over. It's a nice break for me, and I actually find it relaxing, especially in the evening when the house is quiet. In a pressure cooker, I added sliced onion, chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, salt, and some coconut oil. And instead of adding each spice powders at a time, I had this meat masala in my pantry. So I added just that. I had ordered the meat with bone in because that's much tastier than boneless. And here's my tiny man, fascinated about what's happening in the kitchen with this tall stand, which of course he won't know until he grows up. For him, it's something to play with. I mixed the beef with the masala until it was well blended. As this is a curry, I added some water to it for cooking. Usually, the water in itself would be enough had I been making a beef roast or a semi gravy. Having a curry leaf plant in the garden honestly feels like a blessing for me. It's so hard to find fresh, good quality curry leaves sometimes. So, being able to just step outside and pick some for cooking is such a nice feeling. And if you have ever tried growing curry leaves, you'll know it doesn't always work out. So, I feel really lucky that I already have one here. I roasted some coconut along with some coriander powder and fennel seeds powder, then added curry leaves and a bit of coconut oil. I roasted till the coconut turned crispy. I ground the coconut till it's a paste, adding very little water. Later added that to the curry. Tempering gives a finishing for the gravy, which is actually optional for this. If you ever get organic curry leaves, please do not throw away the stem. Use that in your cooking. There's a lot of flavor in the stem too. I totally forgot to show you a clip of the curry being served, and this happens most of the time for me. I have been trying to slow down a little, just enjoying quiet mornings, a hot cup of tea, and these days, the fresh air in the garden. Also, the chirping sounds of birds. So, we had a small family lunch on Friday. My brother, his family, and our cousin came over. I honestly couldn't shoot much because cooking and filming at the same time felt a bit too hectic. But if you have been watching my older vlogs, you have already seen me make most of these dishes before. It was a simple menu, nothing fancy, just chicken biryani, beef fry, and a kheer. Chinu, my younger sister in law, is pregnant. She's in her first trimester, and I wasn't sure what to cook for her because she's been having a lot of nausea, and I didn't want to make anything too strong for her. Just in case she didn't feel like having biryani, I made some rice dal with moringa, which even my brother absolutely loves, and fish fry. I'm actually so glad we have a moringa tree in our garden. It makes such a big difference. And my little niece loves fish just like me, so I thought they'll have all these options to have. But in the end, everyone still went for the chicken biryani. I actually planned to skip making kheer, thinking I would not have time, but somehow found a little extra time. So I quickly prepared it. I just felt like serving something sweet after lunch. You know how it is. No meal feels complete without a little dessert. It wasn't anything fancy, just a simple kheer, but made with love as always. Chinnu wanted to sit on those steps to have her lunch because she usually feels nauseous if she sits inside. Even though it was a bit hot, she really enjoyed eating from there. It was so nice to see her eat peacefully without feeling sick, something she couldn't really do back at their flat. Sometimes, small changes like fresh air, open space, and a little comfort can make a big difference, especially during those early days of pregnancy. And that's how our simple and happy week came to an end with good food, family time, and some quiet little moments that made it all feel special. It doesn't always have to be something big, just being present, enjoying the small things, and making memories with loved ones is more than enough. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of these moments with us. See you in my next vlog. Take care, slow down, and enjoy the simple joys of love.